Hello, I'm Kate Vos, and I'm here to help you learn how to take care of a cello. One thing that's special about a cello is we have what's called an endpin. So in order to take your endpin out, you have to unscrew it and pull it out to the correct length, which your teacher will set you up at your first lesson. And make sure it's nice and tight so it stays put. You will also, in your care kit, get what's called a cello strap or a rock stop. It attaches to the foot of your seat, of your chair. Your end pin goes in that little cup and it won't get away from you while you're playing. Every time you're done playing your cello, you want to wipe your strings off with the soft cloth that comes in your care kit and make sure all the rosin is off of the varnish of the wood. When preparing to play with your bow, you want to make sure you tighten it, not too much. You want to keep a curve from the stick towards the hair. It shouldn't go the other way like a bow and arrow. Your care kit also comes with rosin, and to rosin your bow, you will just go back and forth approximately 10 times. And then you're ready to play. Before you put your bow away when you're finished practicing, make sure you loosen the hair again so it's almost touching the stick. And then you're ready to be finished with your practice session. Thank you for watching.